What's up guys, Shavar here, back with another new awesome video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to link your domain name in Quack Builder. Like that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the post notification bell so you can be the first to know whenever I uploaded a new video. Okay guys, so let's get started. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm on this website. I'm about to link the domain name to this website so you can get to the site directly from the domain name and not with the subdomain name that Quack Builder provide to you. Okay, so how we gonna do this? How we gonna link the domain name? That is really easy guys. So if I go back to the builder right here, I just click settings and then click domains, and then as you can see, this is the subdomain that linked to Quack Builder right now to this account. So what I need to do is to link the domain name, to connect the domain name so it go directly to that domain name instead of the subdomain name. Okay, so as you can see, say custom domain name right here, custom domain. All I need to do is just click connect an existing domain, and then it's gonna ask me what is the domain that I want to connect to this website. Okay, so basically today I am using domainicons.com, if I can find it right here. So basically this domain name was purchased with Domain Icon, the world leading domain name registration and hosting company. So basically this domain name already purchased, and I am now into the account. So I'm just gonna if you just purchase a domain name, you will be in the account. If not, you just click here and then you just click sign in, and then you can enter your username and password from there to log into the account. But I am already inside of the account. These are the domain name that I have, and I'm just gonna click here and say all domain name. It's just gonna refresh because I'm here already, and I'm just gonna link this domain name to the website. So I click the three letter dots right there and click manage domain. DNS stand for domain name server management system. So I'm just gonna click that, so the DNS management, and then I'm gonna click that edit button right there. And the only thing you need to do, I need to go back to Quack Builder and just put the domain name right there. Okay, so what I like to do is to come up here and copy the domain name from here. Just copy it and just paste it where it need to go, and then click connect domain, and then it's gonna come up with this information. And as you can see, it be specific on what you need to do. Alright, so there's two ways you can connect your domain name in Quack Builder. You can use the information that provide at the top, or you can just create a CNAME and link your domain name like that. But the easiest way to do it is to link it with the value of the host number. Okay, so I'm just going to use the host number to point that domain name to Quack Builder server. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just copy that, and then I'm just going to go back to domain icon, and then as you can see, say hat, and then say park. All we need to do is just delete that that park information from out of the point to, and the space that number information that we copy earlier from Quack Builder right here into into that into that little box right there, and then I'm just gonna click save. So the hat is remain to be hat. Okay, the oath should be hat, so we don't need to touch that. The only thing we need to touch is this. We don't need to touch anything over here. Okay, and then we're gonna click save. Alright, when we click save, that is it, guys. That is how you link your domain name to Quack Builder. Okay, so if I go back to Quack Builder, as you can see, if I just click the empty spot over here like that one time, you can see that now my domain name is linked. If I go back to the settings and domains, as you can see, it have this check mark, and then you can see the domain. You can see the domain name inside of the box. Okay, and right now if I go directly to that domain name, if I click copy and then create a new tab right here, I'm just gonna do it like this and then click enter. I should be taken to the website. Okay, so basically, guys, that's how easy it is to link your domain name in Quack Builder. If you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section, and I will definitely check it out. I will definitely help you guys out any way, shape or form. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel, click the post notification bell so you can be the first to know when we uploaded a new video. Like that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.